你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Small details of Jade Bone Yao. Xiying's title to Juyan has been changed. It is more tragic than Chen Qingling. The top-notch fan Xiaozhen's new drama Jade Bone Yao was accused of commenting on the official blog Blame. Small details of Jade Bone Yao. Xiying's title to Juyan has changed. It is more sad than Chen Qingling. Looking at the trailers of other authors talking about Xiaozhan, talking about styles and lines, fans who watched Xiaozhan watched the trailer of Jade Bone Remote 10 times. But I never started writing. I am very familiar with Kang Yue, the author, and I have seen most of her works. I still know Xiaozhan as an actor, and I often pay attention to his movements. When I knew that Xiaozhan would pick up Jade Bone Yao, it was similar to the heartbreaking moment of Chen Qingling, inevitable. But I still watch this TV series because Kang Yue and Xiaozhan are both important to me. Before the shooting of Jade Bone Remote, I already knew that this play will definitely mention words related to fate. The trailer for Jade Bone Remote came out yesterday, and the word destined really appeared. Even in the trailer, fate is also very important. Xiying said, "I am destined to die by your hands." I have no intention of spoiling it. It is very important for everyone to be familiar with the tone of this show. If you don't understand Kang Yue and Juyan, you may not understand Jade Bone Yao. Kang Yue, I have read most of her novels. Fate and self-sacrifice are features that will be prominent in all her works, including the original work of Jade Bone Yao. As a good hand stabbing a knife, when I first read Kang Yue's 2 novels, I had no warning about the tragedy, and I would cry every time I read them. It's a pity that I took precautions and told myself I must not cry after reading this book, but no matter how many books I read, I shed tears without any promise. You ask me why I still want to read Kang Yue's novels even though I know I will cry. Maybe this is her charm. As a novel author who was born as an architect, Kang Yue likes to build a gorgeous palace of novels with large pages, and then in the last part of the novel, all the good things come to collapse. At this moment, you can't send the blade. You can only say to her, "Kang Yue, you are so cruel," but I have nothing to say. Even if Xiying is Xiaozhan, you can helplessly admit, the fate of the great priest is like this, and I can't take pity for the disaster of your fate. This is the reason why I know that Jade Bone Remote will definitely make the audience cry. All the protagonists have light at the beginning, the magic is unparalleled in the world, the blood is extremely noble, and the follower will go through the fire and water. But in the end, they will all be trapped in fate by the dazzling light. Just like the jewel on the crown, Kang Yue first made you forget its weight, tried to render the light of the crown, and then let it slap broken in front of you. The plot has been abusive enough to make me even more feared in this drama. Xiaozhan played the leading role, Chen Qingling has already made me cry, and there is a more abusive Yu Bone Yao. Perhaps Jade Bone Yao will be more touching than Chen Qingling, because Wei Wuxian obeys his heart. Xiying and Juyan follow fate, whether he wants it or not, he must make that choice. Therefore, when Jade Bone Remote is broadcast, Xiying and Juyan will show self-sacrifice. From the trailer, it is basically certain that this tone will not change. In Kang Yue's pinnacle work 7 Nights Snow, this kind of skill has returned to the basics. After watching this work, I didn't appear in the play for 3 days. The original work of Jade Bone Remote is definitely not an excellent one, and even feels like a cliché novel. In particular, Juyan took the initiative to stay overnight after knowing that Xiying was engaged, which was cliched. Of course, this is compared with her own later works. If compared with other authors, it can beat 90% of the authors. Everyone should also be grateful that at that time, Kang Yue, the knife sharpened was not sharp enough, and the shots weren't simple enough. Otherwise, Xiaozhen's tears and Kang Yue's knife will make many people cry. When Kang Yue was writing the original Jade Bone Distance, that vague thought that didn't want the audience to cry was extremely tender in the eyes of someone like me who had been stabbed many times. It makes me want to make fun of Kang Yue's thoughts. I didn't expect that you, a good stab knife, could still pretend to build a dangerous building that won't collapse. but she was still reluctant to take the knife. For example, in the episode of Juyan and Somo, until the end of the Mirror series, Kang Yue was still unwilling to give everyone a consummation, and I had to grit my teeth again. I only hope that the screenwriter will not change the plot. Although the original Jade Bone Yao is quite tragic, I still accept the knife of Kang Yue and Xiao Zhan. Top fans who can't bring along Xiao Zhan's new drama Jade Bone Yao official blog was accused of being criticized. Xiao Zhan, with Burning Boy in 2015, formed a youth idol group X-Ju Youth League. At that time, the domestic men's groups were basically in a state of being unemployed when they debuted, and the X-Ju Youth group was not spared, and there was no spark after the group was formed. X-Ju Youth League. Xiao Zhan is a persevering person. After graduating from university, because of his hobby, he participated in the debut of Burning Boy. For him, becoming an idol is an industry that needs to be started from scratch. In the environment of unemployment, he resolutely moved from the idol group that he had just become familiar with to the path of an actor. Run the announcement by yourself and try the show by yourself. Superior appearance, humble attitude, willingness to work hard. Let him also receive some small roles and start the actor's exploration. Learning all the way, internship all the way, growth all the way. Xiao Zhan played Ji Chong. In 2019, Chen Qingling became popular. This TV series also allowed Xiao Zhan to stand at the top of the traffic, rising straight from the 18th line to the ranks of first-line stars. Wei Wuxian in the play, from the sunshine of his youth, has cultivated as a leader. After experiencing the family's death, planing Jin Dan to save Jiang Qing, mass graves practicing tricks, and being too strong, he was conquered by hundreds of immortals, and he was killed in a city that never sleeps, and then he was sacrificed to rebirth. Work with confidant and friend Lan Zhan to punish rape and eliminate evil, and help justice. In this drama, Wei Wuxian played by Xiao Zhan is like Wei Wuxian who came out of the book. The character is very beautiful, severely captured the hearts of the audience. Xiao Zhan also jumped to the top with this drama. Wei Wuxian in White Dog Xiao Zhan. Wei Wuxian in Black Dog Xiao Zhan. Since ancient times, good fortune and misfortune have depended on each other. These words were vividly experienced in Xiao Zhan. The sudden popularity also brought him the famous 227 incident. This is a strange time that is a victim but was exposed on the internet when fighting the epidemic in an all-round way, because an article about the love of Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo, published on the world's largest fandom website, was fomented on Weibo. Fans of Xiao Zhan felt that this article was a violation of Xiao Zhan's reputation. Xiao Zhan's fan Benantis Weibo called on this article to report this pornography-related humanity on Weibo. Is catching up with the national NetNet operation. The posting platform of this same humanities was walled. Suddenly affected by various factors, everyone pointed their grievances at the only real name Xiao Zhan. Fans act idols to pay. It became the most popular online discourse last year, after February 27, 2020. Harass Xiao Zhan's endorsement business. Harassment may have Xiao Zhan appear on the platform. Daily online insults Xiao Zhan and everyone who has a little relationship with Xiao Zhan. Xiao Zhan fans are frightened, and closed tweet has become Sean Chaos two most common words. Xiao Zhan fans at that time gave me the feeling that every word typed on the internet has to be carefully considered before daring to send it out. Data has become a channel for them to vent their emotions. In 2020, Xiao Zhan will have a handful of time in front of the screen. However, all the data of Xiao Zhan network are the first in fault. At that time, many Sangguan fans joined, allowing many people who do not follow stars to understand the nature of 227. What they said most was, "We don't chase stars. We speak up, just for our 3 views." Last year's fans were mostly grateful to these people. This year, with the support of fans' charity and Sangguan passers, by last year, the influence of 227 on Xiao Zhan seems to have passed. Kaoyu's birthday drama. This year's endorsements, events, and business are all blooming. The military drama Ace Troops filmed last year. This year's costume drama Jade Bone Yao has also begun to release investment videos. However, the tone of the fans has changed. Below the official blog of Ace Force, when the teaser video of this play was first released, the following comments were not expectations, but questioning the filmmakers why they used the name of Xiao Zhan to attract investment, but Xiao Zhan was the second male number. Angrily accused the film party of La Xiaozhen's traffic as a stepping stone, calling it a deception. Questioned that the film party edited Xiaozhen's highlight moment. All of this, just fans watched a business promotion announcement. Ace Force official blog comment area. Today's Yu Bonyao also encountered the same situation. When I was still immersed in the handsome appearance of Xiaozhen's press conference and finally saw the great priest of Shiying, in the comment area of the official blog, fans have already begun to question the filmmakers. Asked the filmmakers to respond, for whom the name Yu Gaiao was changed. Whether it's a magic change. And said, I hope the film side understands and faces up to Xiaozhen's big traffic. Don't violate the yin and the yin. The comment area of the official blog of Jade Bonyao. Such comments are in the front row under the official blog of the TV series. Thousands of likes and comments. I don't know the mentality of fans when they write these comments. All I know is my mentality when I see these comments. The first reaction is I can't bring fans. Xiao Zhan is very difficult. I really feel that the fan circle really does more harm than good. Domestic entertainment, idols and actors, it has always been different. The fan circle has always followed the system of Korean idols chasing stars. It is the truth that celebrities' success and defeat fans are also fans. Of course, if it is an idol group, indeed, fans can prove its popularity. But obviously, entertainment actor stars and fans are really just icing on the cake. What determines the growth path of an actor has always been the actor's own acting skills and the vision of selecting the script rather than the high traffic and strong tears brought by fans. In internal entertainment, Xiao Zhan is the only one who passively pays for the idols because of the behavior of fans. Why his fans? But it is still the representative of the badness of the fan circle. With these remarks, the impression of a slight improvement accumulated by the closed wheat and public welfare of last year has been defeated. Can't afford to help, Xiao Zhan fans who can't move. It's a pity that when Xiao Zhan was exposed on the internet last year, when he appeared in front of the public, he was painstakingly persuading fans. I don't need to support fans must first live their own lives. I hope you can all become better selves. Alas. I only hope that Xiao Zhan will stop paying for fan behavior. For the first fan behavior, because the fan art really involved pornography, most people supported the fans and Xiao Zhan. If you do it again, probably, there will be no passers-by to help speak. At that time, fans of the so-called All for the Good of My Brother, can you give Xiao Zhan an actor with no passerby? Tell these fans responsibly, you can't give it. When you can't afford the consequences of doing good for him in his name, don't be blind in the online world. Xiao Zhan has his team, whether for business cooperation, endorsements, or TV series. A team with common interests and a team with industry experience knows how to deal with problems better than you wild agents, don't they? I personally absolutely recognize Xiaozhen's strength and abilities. He should become a member of the new generation of successful domestic entertainers, with countless works and roles that are praised by everyone. Rather than Brother Is Only Us, this kind of Buffy idol Xiao Zhan. Finally, present today's fresh handsome fight. I hope Xiao Zhan will be smooth and happy, and live happily every day.